I love honey. You told me to say I love honey. Then what was next? I love honey. And to make sure that we don't run out of honey, I am going to make, well, we are going to make a dandelion honey. First, we need to wash all the dandelions that I picked up. We, if you're following. Oh God, that's heavy. And only for little dandelions too. That is pretty heavy. Okay, ooh, that feels nice. It's cold. We now need to leave the dandelions in the cold water to get the insects out. Goodbye. Okay, done. Now I'm taking all the petals out of the flowers. Drink it again. It's been hard work, but we've finally completed it. There are no leaves allowed. You are only supposed to have the petals. And yeah, it might take a while. I'm putting them in the saucepan. Ooh. There were 3 cups of petals, so now I need 3 cups of water. I'm putting some lemon juice in. Next, take the vanilla extract.
I don't think it's done.
Oh, I always put it in here.
It's in there.
That was half of it. We now need to bring it to boil. Now we need to let it cool off. We left the dandelion tea overnight. We left the dandelions overnight, so now we're going to make dandelion syrup out of it. First we need to strain it. Dandelion honey is very tasty.